Empower Digi Teach Project. Unit 1. Selecting, Creating, and Modifying Digital Resources. Lesson 1.1 Search and Selecting Digital Resources.
Hi, Ruth. I was thinking about how overwhelming it can be to select digital resources for our classes. Do you have any advice?
Hi, Eric. Of course, it's an important topic. With so many resources available, it's easy to feel lost. The first step is to know where we stand. Are you familiar with the Digital Competence Framework for Teachers?
Yes, but I'm not sure how to apply it. What does each level mean?
Well, it starts from being a novel, who hardly uses the internet, to becoming a pioneer, who promotes the use of digital resources. It's good to know your starting point to see how to progress.
And why is it so crucial to choose digital resources?
Well, Eric, digital resources allow students to study from anywhere and at any time. Using platforms like Google Classroom or Moodle, they can access materials without the limitations of the classroom.
That's true. I also think these tools encourage creativity. Students can create blogs with WordPress, Blogger or Wix, make visual presentations with Canva for example. Or even educational videos with Powtoon or Clipchamp, which helps them share their work with a wider audience.
Exactly. Plus, multimodal communication is key. Integrating images and videos into online discussions makes learning more engaging and participatory.
I completely agree. Effective feedback is also easier with digital platforms. Students can receive detailed comments through audio messages or self-assessments, enriching their learning.
Yes, and activities like forums and wikis foster collaboration, while adaptive tools enable personalized learning by adjusting to each student's progress.
Finally, inclusive accessibility is key. Tools like subtitles and text-to-speech enable full participation for all students. Now that we've talked about the benefits of digital resources, how can we choose the most suitable ones for our lessons?
Good question, Eric. Let's go over a 7-step plan for selecting digital resources that really work.
Step 1. Establish objectives and needs. What exactly are we talking about?
First, decide whether you want to use digital resources in all your lessons or just in some. It's also key to define the learning outcomes you want to achieve.
Step 2. Organize the search for resources. Should we keep a record of what we find?
Yes, exactly. Keep a document where you note the resources you find and their relevance. Also, break down the lesson into different components, like interactive activities and visual aids.
Step 3. Search techniques. What terms should I use to search?
Make a list of keywords related to the Industrial Revolution, like steam engine or factories. Also, think of synonyms.
Step 4. Search for digital resources. Where can we find good resources?
Use sites like Unsplash for images and YouTube for educational videos. Also, platforms like Edutopia offer expert-reviewed materials.
Step 5. Evaluate and select resources. How do we know if a resource is good?
Review each resource to ensure it aligns with your learning objectives. If it doesn't fit, ask yourself if you can adapt it.
Step 6. Implement and review. What do we do once we choose the resources?
Integrate the resources into your lesson plan and observe how they work. Gather feedback from students to make adjustments for future lessons.
Step 7. Ethical considerations. What should we pay attention to?
Check the privacy and security of the resources. Additionally, ensure they are accessible to all students, with features like subtitles. See you in the next lesson.
Bye.